In order to manage app notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, we need to find Notifications, which should be pretty much at the top or near the top. Now in here we have App Notifications, so you can go in here and you can see the list of all apps that you have on your phone and the switcher that indicates if notifications are enabled or disabled. So you can quickly toggle notifications for a specific app just by tapping on that switcher. Besides that, what you can also do is you can tap on the app itself in order to find additional options. Of course, we can allow notifications in here as well, but also you can toggle the sound and vibration option. You can also choose to display lock screen notifications, app icon badge, and the notification pop-up. You can also change the pop-up style. You can show or hide the content when the phone is locked, so on the lock screen you can hide the content of that app. And also we have live notifications for specific apps that are working with the live notification option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.